Hello creators, welcome to the third episode of the first season of Filmora Mobile course on Gadgets portal. This is your host Shukesh Banik and let's get started. I did this stop motion video entirely with my phone, from shooting the video to editing, adding music. Let me show you how I did it. For shooting the stop motion images, we will use artificial light so that the lighting doesn't change. So no outdoor shooting or sunlight coming through the windows. Don't move tripod or the phone. And also don't cast any shadow or don't move the chopping board and other items in the picture. The image aspect ratio should be set to 16:9 and then shoot the video in portrait style on your phone. Also lower the resolution if your phone has the option. Also make sure you have full charge on your phone as it's going to take hours to shoot and we don't want to shake the camera, so better connect a charger throughout the shoot. We will use a Bluetooth remote to shoot the pictures. It will save a lot of time and effort, and also it will not shake the camera while touching the screen. From the camera settings, set the volume button action to shutter. Shoot a picture, move the items a little bit, then shoot the next one. Try to keep the movements equal distance for each shot. While shooting the photos, give some time for the refocusing of the phone's camera. Also shoot the photos sequentially so that during editing you don't have to rearrange the pictures. In fact, I'm using my toe to click the remote. For a 24 FPS video, you will need 24 pictures for a second of stop motion video. So for a 10-second video, you will need to take 240 pictures. But you can experiment with 12 FPS or even 6 FPS. On your phone, download and install Filmora Video Editor and Maker from the Google Play Store. If you are using Android, for iOS, you can find the application on the Apple App Store. It's rated 4.6 here, which is really good. Launch the app, add a new project. So you get all the photos I have taken from the gallery. Let's switch to the photo mode. And now the most important part, whenever you select any photo, it's numbered. So you need to select from the very start and add the photos sequentially. This is the first photo I have taken. I can tap and hold for a quick preview. So let's select them one by one, and here is the most crucial part. I've taken around 260 photos, but adding them on a single project will slow your phone down. What I've found is up to 90 photos can be added in a single project for smoother rendering. So we will break the stop motion video into 3 parts. So let's import these 85 photos for now. As you can see guys, all these photos have been added sequentially and you can swipe to have a glimpse of the stop motion video. So select any of these pictures. Then at the bottom you get an option for duration. The default duration is 3 seconds. You can lower it to as low as 0.1 second, and the good news is you can apply to all with a single click here. So making stop motion videos on the Filmora mobile app is as easy as that. The first part of the stop motion video is ready guys. Let's export the video now. You can export up to 4K at up to 60 FPS. Then create another project, add the next 85 photos just like the way I've shown you. Then set the duration to 0.1 second, apply to all. Then export the video. Do the same for the rest of the photos. So you get 3 stop motion videos. We need to stitch them up. So create another project, add the 3 videos sequentially. The complete stop motion video is ready guys. I personally like this low FPS look, which gives a true look to the stop motion videos, but if you want smoother playback, you can speed these videos up again. So select the clips. A speed option will show up. So from here we will speed up the clips. If you speed up to 2.5x, then you can get the true 24 fps look with one picture in each frame. The duration of each frame will be 0.04 seconds. Now export the video at 24 fps and you get a smooth playback. On the Filmora app, you can add audios to your videos. So let's add some music from the library here. Let's add this one and your project is ready. It definitely takes some time and effort to create stop motion videos like this, but it's definitely worth it. For more exciting videos like this, check the channel for the playlist Filmora Mobile course, and I will add the link in the description of this video. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next episode.